This one is going to be using mixed beans. I know for a fact that in the areas that I'm in, all of these beans have been sold out. So I'm sure a lot of you have these stuck in your cupboards and you don't know what to do. Here's an easy dish. And I'm gonna get a help today too. My son Jai is just hanging around. Jai, come in. I'm gonna teach him how to do this. He's a uni student, and uni students normally eat badly, even for a chef's son. So thanks, Jai. Okay, so we've got a whole range of ingredients, very easy. Cumin seeds, dill seeds, garam masala, dry chilies from our garden, some fenugreek seeds, black sesame seeds, turmeric, salt, curry leaves. But one of the other ingredients is this tea. Cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and nutmeg. You think about that and you think, yeah, that's just a food tea. And the tea itself is rooibos, not Camellia sinensis. So it has no caffeine, but also you can ingest it much easier. So great thing to cook with. Start off with some coconut oil. Here you go, Jai. Thank you. Get the pan nice and hot. Put your coconut oil in, and then we'll just add everything. There's not even any onions in this. It's such a simple dish. So first what we need to do, Jai, is toast all the seeds. So you can add the cumin seed first. That's it. Dill seeds, dried chilies, fenugreek seeds, sesame, curry leaves. Just scrape them in and break them in half. So when you gather them all on your hand, just break them. That's it, and just tear them in half. Now toast all of those. With a lot of these seeds, especially the fenugreek, if they burn, it's not going to be very tasty at all. It actually goes bitter, so you have to be really careful. Now the other thing I got is some tofu. This is just spiced tofu, again from the supermarket. Just toss it around. Some turmeric. And I've got some garam masala, but that's right at the end. I'm going to add that because it adds a really nice flavour and it's good if it's fresh. But the other herb that I'm going to infuse is this beautiful Dilmah tea. Check that out. You can see the turmeric, you can see the ginger, nutmeg, the smell of it's there, and a beautiful colour there. So sprinkle that in. Let's cook that through a little bit. And then the hardest part of all, opening a can. You'll be used to this, right? Don't drain them either. Like, I really think it's the flavour of the beans. The beans are cooked inside the tin, basically. And so all this juice, it's thick and juicy and has all the flavours of the actual beans itself. Add those two in, please, Jai. For everyone out there who is dairy-free, gluten-free and vegan, this is perfect. But for you, Jai, you can put a couple of bits of chicken in there if you like. So we just wait a few minutes, probably about 5 or 10 until it starts to bubble and boil. Then we'll taste it, season it, and it's done. Good job. Thank you. Okay, Jai's gone, left me with it, but the rest is easy. You can see the sauce from this is thickened, and that's all the juices from the can. And lastly, don't forget the garam masala. It adds that beautiful flavour right at the end. And the smell has everything. It definitely 100% has all the things in this tea. The cinnamon, the turmeric, the ginger and the nutmeg come through immediately. But all the other spices that I put in, all the seeds, also add to the flavour. Try and get a little bit of everything in there into your bowl. Now I think with this, just a little bit of leftover bread, torn up, stuck on the side, and that is a really hearty, beautiful warmer of a dish. Ensure that you have lots of health and vitality by drinking this tea and all those Ayurvedic herbs in there. And as a clean vegetarian and vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free dish, you couldn't get much better. If you want gluten-free 100%, don't use the bread. But otherwise, hope you enjoy it. A cup of tea, a bowl of stew, a good movie. What else can you ask for when you're locked out?